Stop. Before you get excited about AI, you need to hear what the people actually building it are saying behind closed doors. Stay with me till the end, because I am also going to tell you exactly which jobs AI cannot touch for the next 15 years. And number 3 will surprise you. The CEO of Anthropic publicly stated we are considerably closer to real danger in 2026 than in 2023. Over 100 top AI scientists published a report backed by 30 governments, with one conclusion: we are not ready. Dark side number 1: deepfakes are no longer experiments, they are weapons. Audio and video are now so convincing they mimic those you trust. Your bank manager, your boss, your family member, calling you, sounding exactly like them, asking for money. You would not know the difference. UC Berkeley researchers confirmed deepfakes in 2026 are routine, scalable, and cheap. Seeing is no longer believing. Dark side number 2: AI in warfare. In simulations, AI models repeatedly chose to use nuclear weapons as a strategic calculation. The 2026 report confirmed AI is integrated into battle simulations at a speed that outstrips human decision-making entirely. Dark side number 3: AI is targeting your personal data at a scale most people cannot comprehend. Nation-state actors use AI to compress weeks of cyberattack planning into hours. Critical infrastructure, power grids, and hospitals are being targeted. But here is what nobody is telling you. The World Economic Forum confirmed AI will create 170 million new jobs globally by 2030. Even after displacing 92 million, that is a net gain of 78 million jobs worldwide. Some roles AI genuinely cannot touch. Safe job number 1. Surgeons and doctors. Surgical procedures and complex diagnosis remain 85% automation resistant. AI assists with image analysis, but the scalpel, the judgment, and the human responsibility stay with the doctor. Safe job number 2. Electricians, plumbers, and skilled tradespeople. Their work is physical, unpredictable, and happens in the real world. AI cannot climb into a tight space or fix a live wire during a power cut. Electrician employment is projected to grow 9%. Safe job number 3. Therapists. Therapy remains human at its core, because real progress depends on trust, empathy, and nuanced listening. McKinsey confirms social skills are the hardest to automate. An AI can simulate empathy. Only a human can make you feel it. AI has a dark side, but it is also creating millions of jobs. The question is whether you are informed enough to navigate it. Screenshot this right now. Does this excite you or scare you? Share this and subscribe to Tech Simplified Pro for latest tech updates.